to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today I have a excuse me, a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's just a few things that I went and picked up at my local Dollar Tree down the road from where I'm staying. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see. Well, actually, no, I think I'll keep the camera the way I've got it. It might be a little easier. So we were celebrating my daughter's birthday this weekend. Friday night I fixed her dinner, and then tonight she came over and we went and picked up some food from one of the local steak houses. I'm trying to remember if it was at Longhorns or Outback, one of those. I can't even remember now. Well, my husband went and picked it up since we couldn't eat there and brought it back, and we all had a really good dinner. And then afterwards she asked, she says, "Hey, do you want to go to the Dollar Tree?" And I was like, "Well, yeah, sure." And picked up a few things. So the first thing I saw, never had seen this before, is one of these candle making sets. It's do-it-yourself candle making kit, and I will be doing a video on how to do this, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you've clicked the notification bell. Make sure you click it for all notifications, and that way you will know when I do the review and do this on my channel. Okay. And the next item I did, they've got all the canvases. They had this size and I think one other small size. A lot of their art supplies. Savannah goes there a lot. My niece, she was with us, and that's where she gets a lot of her art supplies. She's a very talented little artist, and she said, yeah, they're out of most of their supplies, which doesn't surprise me with it so close to Christmas. But they did have some things. So I did get me 2 of the canvases, and I'm hoping to do something with those for y'all at some point. I'd like to get back into some art on my channel like I used to do back when I first started. If y'all would like to see some of my artwork, leave me a comment down below. I also picked up one of these composition books. Normally I'll probably cover it at some point, but it's just the regular school composition books. I picked it up mainly because in case I do not get to get out or get a chance to order another planner, I thought I could just make my own out of this. That was my thought, because I have done that before. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay tuned and let me know in the comments below that you are interested in seeing that. Okay, and I picked up a bunch. I think I picked up one of every pack. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different styles they had. I've never seen that many in the Dollar Tree before that I've ever gone to, of these Crafter Squares planner stickers. And if you follow me on Instagram, I know that there's a glare probably from my light. Actually, I wonder if I can fix that. Give me a minute. I should have fixed this light. Let's see if that helps any. That might help some. But these are some of the planner stickers, and I thought these were really cute. And of course the little cars too. So that's one pack. Here's some more. And I'm really glad they carry these now. These are a lot smaller, so it's hard to see them. I have some of these. I like those colors I had gotten for my birthday. But I don't think I got any from this side here. These are on this side though, are a lot of exercising stickers, which with my health I really don't exercise too often, so I probably will use those like for a giveaway or something like that, give them away to somebody. And then there's these. I'm sorry, there's still a glare. I might not be able to see them too well. I really liked these too. And these are nice little summer ones here. So those are all the planner stickers. And then they had some others that I'd never seen before. They were just really small ones for $1. I didn't even mess with those because I think these are more worth it. And let's see, I did buy, this was the only 5-pack of washi I did see. Not that I really need washi, to be honest, because I got a whole bunch of these. But the problem was they're all packed in storage somewhere. I can't get to them. So I thought, well, Savannah knew that and she showed me these. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and get them because right now I'm needing some washi. So that's why I did get that. And I can share with her too. And then I got, the last few things I got were these, they're called Color Flow Quick Drying No Bleed Ink pens, and I got 3 packs of them. I got the red, green, and the blue in this, and then I got pink, orange, and purple, and then the black. And these would be great if they don't really bleed. I can't wait to test them out to find out, for art journaling especially, and then for planning also, but especially for art journaling, because I'm always looking for no bleed and quick drying pens for art journaling. So that is everything that I got. Just a few little items that I was you know, out looking for. I wasn't really looking for a whole lot, just kind of out, like, you know, browsing around and everything and seeing what they got. You know, I was kind of looking for some pens if they had them, and was glad that I did find that. But just wanted to see what they had, if there's anything I could use, and I did find a few things. You always find something at the Dollar Tree, so that's what I found. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. Please share it, that helps out. And leave me a comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Don't forget to do that so you'll be notified on all those videos. And I'll see you in the next video real soon. Thanks for watching and have a very blessed day.